Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens. My name's Charlie from MAPerformance, and you know what? I'm like a lot of you guys. If I own this car, I want it to make some cool power too. Specifically, I see the question a lot, how to make 400 wheel with your 2015 plus WRX. I'm bringing in the expert, fuel pump daddy, AKA Leo Vishniak. He is the man with the plan. He gets the question all the time over the phones, and he's helped a lot of you guys make some serious power with your Subarus. So I'm gonna bring him on here in a second, and he'll tell you all about the parts you're gonna need to make some serious gains with your 15 plus WRX.
What's up, Subaru boys and girls? This is Leo from MAPerformance, and behind me we've got a 15 WRX. Now, you guys are probably wondering, how do you make 400 horsepower with your 15 WRX? Well, on a stock block, great news for you, it's probably not gonna happen. Now, realistically, you can make it happen. However, you're really going to be testing the boundaries of your stock Subaru engine. But I can get you guys a recipe that's tried and true that will get you to the 350 horsepower range, which is going to be a safe, good place for you to operate that car in. Now, with that being said, it's a really simple combo. You're going to need a Cobb access port. That's going to be your first step. Secondly, I do recommend our MAPerformance intake, and I recommend our MAPerformance J-pipe and any catback of your choice. Once that's done, you are going to need a tune. Here at MAPerformance, we supply a free tune with the purchase of an access port and with the purchase of any parts that we manufacture here in-house that we have stage tunes for. Now, with this being said, Stage 2 E30 is going to be the tune that I recommend. That's going to land you right at the 350 wheel horsepower mark, which is going to be the safest place for you to operate your 15 plus WRX in. Now, here at MAPerformance, guys, we made it stupid easy for you. If you visit the listing on our website for our Stage 2 kit, there's drop downs. You can select every single option that you want out of our kit. It's going to include our intake, our J-pipe, and you get the tune for free. Now, keep in mind, if you want to do your own subset of parts, that's absolutely doable. You can follow our recipe and purchase the same exact parts from any manufacturer you want. However, it's important to keep in mind that we aren't going to offer a tune for that. Our tunes are specifically tailored to the parts that we manufacture here in-house. Now, once you guys start making that power, there is going to be some stuff for you guys to consider. One thing that I would consider first and foremost is going to be upgrading that clutch on that vehicle. You definitely want to pick up the slack there because of that vehicle making all of that additional torque and horsepower. It is going to wear on the driveline a whole lot more, and an upgraded clutch from a company like ACT or Competition Clutch is going to be a great option to make sure that that vehicle can put all of that power down directly to the ground. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, well, what about the fueling of the vehicle? Well, the good news is with the Stage 2 Plus E30 tune, it's simply a blend between pump gas and ethanol. Your factory injectors are going to be plenty sufficient, and that is the beauty and where the 15 Plus WRX shines and where the direct injection really comes alive. You don't need to do any sort of fuel injector upgrades. You don't even really need to do a fuel pump upgrade. Although DeechWorks does sell a drop-in solution that is a great option, it is not necessary at all to make that kind of horsepower. Now, in addition, another great option for modifications when you are getting beyond that 350 horsepower mark is a top mount intercooler and a charge pipe setup. Now, you could also do a front mount intercooler. Of course, our tunes aren't going to work with any front mount intercooler option because we don't make one here in house. However, if you decide to go down the route of a custom spec tune by somebody local to you, you are able to run any front mount intercooler of your choice, and that is going to be a great option to keep those intake temperatures a whole lot cooler. If you are going through and going with our MAPerformance Stage 2 option, we do offer a top mount intercooler upgrade and a charge pipe upgrade, for which we do also supply a tune. Let's say you want to test the boundaries, and that's totally fine because I love living life on the edge just as much as you guys, and you want to actually make that 400 horsepower number and see how long it lasts. You can do that. What you're going to need is a bolt-on turbocharger upgrade, something like what Force Performance offers with their line of turbochargers that are direct replacements for the factory turbo. That'll get you right at that 400 horsepower mark with some custom tuning. You should be able to make that power. Now, how long it's going to last, I can't really tell you, but what I can say is that it's been done and people do it every single day. Give us a call if you guys want a recipe tailored to exactly what you're looking to do to your 15 Plus WRX, and we'll be here to help you out. And if you don't blow all your money on big wangs and fancy things, 350 is super easy. It's tons of fun. The car handles extremely well. It comes alive, and to be completely honest with you, I feel like that's how the vehicle should have came directly from the factory. Sheboygan!
All right, you guys, so now that you know the parts you're gonna need to make that kind of power, looks like Leo maybe kicked us into perspective and kept us in check with what power is realistic on a stock block. Anyways, like Leo said, we're gonna have the links in the description for you to go ahead and get that stage 2 kit. Otherwise, feel free to give us a call. Feel free to call Leo specifically. His cell phone number is 1-888-MA-Performance, direct line. You heard it here first. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. If you guys like this kind of content, be sure to give us a huge thumbs up because it helps our channel out a ton. Be sure to subscribe for more content just like this. And maybe you're not a Subaru guy, but you wanna see a sick Evo build. We've got one over there that we've been working on the channel and tons of other stuff to come as well. So leave us a comment down below with your thoughts on this video and we'll see you guys next time. Peace. Yeah, that's the car over there. That's the one. That's the one we're building on the channel.